Now you would think that being an accident repair centre that most of the questions from our customers would be around vehicle body repairs, and yes, we do get lots of questions about vehicle body repairs, but in the main our customers are really confused about what they're entitled to in the event of an insurance claim. The most common question being, do I have to accept the insurer's decision to total loss my car? Well, unfortunately the answer isn't a straight one. Now to begin with, your car may be unsafe to repair and the vehicle should be either crushed or stripped for parts before the shell is crushed. In this case, providing the inspecting engineer has done his job correctly, the decision to write off the car will be the correct one and should not be challenged. But let's assume the vehicle is repairable. Now in most cases, insurance companies will handle a claim in the most cost-effective manner for them. However, their decision may not suit the policyholder and can be challenged. Now I think the first thing to point out is that car insurance isn't really about cars, it's more about compensation in the event of a loss. And in the main, the insured will be entitled to full indemnity. For example, if your car's worth £15,000, you'll be entitled to £15,000 in the event of a loss. The purpose of insurance is simply to return the person suffering a loss to the same state they were at prior to the loss. Now, as I stated earlier, insurance companies will handle a claim in the most cost-effective manner for them. So let me show you some basics around how things are often calculated. So let's say your car's worth £15,000 but has a salvage value of £5,000. This means a salvage company will pay the insurer £5,000 to purchase the car if it is written off, leaving a payout shortfall of £10,000 less any excess. This means any repair cost over £10,000 will be at extra cost to the insurer, but in most cases you'll be entitled to full indemnity and to have your car repaired. Now, something else worth remembering, if the accident isn't your fault, it's far better to claim directly from the responsible party's insurance policy. This means you will not be subject to any limitations that are written within your own policy, nor will you pay any excess. Now, unfortunately, car insurance can be an absolute minefield. It can be hard for most people to understand. Now, if you do need any support or advice, my door is always open. Our team deal with many different scenarios every single day and should be able to help with most cases. Thanks for watching. Please check out our advice centre at cars-grimsby.co.uk.